In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks snow shovel. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded Greenworks snow shovels. Be advised, your unit may look different from the model featured in this video. The following instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Unboxing. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove any loose, unassembled parts and set them aside for later. The unit comes disassembled. There is a wire connecting the two halves. Carefully lift the shovel components out of the box and set them on the ground, being careful not to damage the wire. Remove any zip ties and plastic from the handle components. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Connecting the shafts. Align the pin on the handle shaft and the hole on the lower shaft. Push the two halves together and turn the upper shaft until the release button locks into the hole. Once the two shafts are secured, tighten the knob on the coupler. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow shovel will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.